our tiny home bathroom is actually just in this triangular portion, the V-nose of our cargo trailer. So it's not too big, but you'll be surprised with how much we are able to fit in this triangle, this V-nose. Hello! So today I'm here to show you a little bit more about our bathroom. And I know that some of you have been waiting for it forever, but first I need to go ahead and I need to refill our peat moss, which is what we use in our composting toilet. So come along, let's look at some of the crazy animals we have on this mini farm. Hi! Who's a cute girl? Hi, Storm. You're so cute. We got some bunnies. Here's the crazy boys. They're getting fat. Fun fact, we have a lot of chickens between our chickens and the owners of the property, which is exciting. In this shed, we keep all of our animal feed. Okay, so here we are with our peat moss. The peat moss goes over our doo-doo in the composting toilet. Goes over our poop. Hey. Oh. Root Drax. Hey, Drax. That's a cute Costco toy. Yeah, it's a monster. Back to the trailer, and I'm gonna show you our bathroom. There's a little bit of sound in the background going right now. That's the pump. So we've gotten a lot of questions about our shower situation as well as the bathroom that we have in our tiny home. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. There's RJ taking a shower.
The shower water is like 100 and something degrees and it feels amazing. And outside right now it's about 60 degrees. Not too cold, but it feels great.
But that's our shower. It is run on a propane heater, and that propane is actually the same propane as our stove. So as we're showering, we normally do not get to cook at the same time.
The shower was amazing, but let's take a look inside of here what makes this shower as great as it is. Filtration system. Heated inline water. The water tank that's easily cleanable. Water trough bin that's deep and amazing. And we have the forest right behind Heather. That's not smoke behind her from the Smoky Mountains. That's her poop smoke. She's sitting on the toilet.
Don't tell people that.
You know, if you're going poop, you gotta pull out the squatty potty.
Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna say I need to pull off my pants if I'm pooping. It's probably important too. So while we are using our composting toilet, we've got the essentials. Our squatty potty stool to help our stool move a little faster. Composting toilets are very popular right now, and the delivery time for a Nature's Head was about 2 months when we were thinking about ordering one. So we decided to build our own composting toilet so it could fit our needs. We're super glad we went the custom route, as we realized the 1 gallon urine tank needs to be dumped more often than we expected. So we've resorted to a portable waste tank. We're using the Camco Rhino portable waste holding tank for our shower water and urine. We also purchased a composting toilet kit from Johnny Compost Toilets on Etsy. So far, we're really liking the setup. Since we're living in our tiny home full time, this option is easier than draining black tanks. We can definitely crack a few poo puns as we are in the bathroom, in our composting toilet, as well as our shower. And we actually have something else in our bathroom as well. Our closet!
We have our rod up here, our tree branch hiking stick that's hanging up all these clothes. But behind the clothes is storage for days and days and days. We got a little extra thing up here for storing some shampoos and necessities. And we have all my clothes that are hung up, my shirts and sweaters and all the undergarment essentials into the extra TP.
We have really optimized this space to be able to store our clothes, our toilet, and our shower. So we're pretty excited about it. Thank you for joining us today on our tiny home bathroom and shower tour. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we do. If you're not already subscribed, we would love for you to click on the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of this video and click on the bell so you can be notified when we post new videos. And last but not least, our 100 subscriber winner is Gabrielle M. Gabrielle, reach out to us on Instagram and we'll get you hooked up with a prize.